So hello and what's up guys, welcome back to this brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can fix your WhatsApp voice and video call problem. So guys, here we go. At first you have to go in your setting, and after going in your setting you have to go for app management. Okay guys, app management. So after going here you have to click in this app list. So after going in your app list, you have to search, or you can scroll down to search your WhatsApp. So after going here guys, you can see this here is the force stop option. So you have to click here, and after going there you have to come in the storage uses. So after coming here you have to click this clear cache and clear data. So after doing that too, you have to go for permissions. So for permissions you have to go in your call, and here you have to make it yellow. Okay guys, and after that you have to come in the camera and you make sure that it should be yellow too, and in the context also it should be yellow, and in the microphones it should be yellow. Okay guys, in the SMS and it should be yellow, and here also in the storage it should be yellow, not Danny. Okay guys, if you make it Danny, you're not going to work. Okay guys, and here also in the phone you should be hello. Okay guys, the location also hello permissions. So guys, this how you have to do. And guys, do likes in this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching this video.